Hi guys, Dawn here. I want to talk to you a little bit about control in contact juggling. Control is a really huge part of contact juggling, and nobody's really detailed the nuance of control, although a lot of people can still see it when you are contact juggling. Control is not having the ball sort of go out of any place that you're intending, which means that when you put the ball in a place, that it goes exactly where you mean it to go. That there's no extra correction, that you're not going out of your way. When I come here, it should land, boom. Stopping there and nowhere else. Just going up, boom. Oh, see, that didn't work. Boom. But see, I kind of corrected my arm in these tiny little wobbly ways. Correction shows that you're not actually in control of the ball, that you don't have the nuance understood, that you can perhaps do the move and you can nail it, where it's like, okay, yeah, I can get it there. Boom. Did it land there? That one actually worked. Did you see that? So these little details in your contact juggling show through, and this type of minutia is something that we should all be working on to make it so our work is clean and nailing it every single time. This means a lot of drilling and a lot of years put in behind you. Most of the time, we're going to have these kind of wobbly, like things that don't really work where you're dropping the ball. Not only, but just even those tiny little corrections make a big difference to the cleanliness of your work. That's all for today. I hope you're having a good one. Stick around for more videos coming up soon. Yeah! I've been hanging out with the baby, can you tell? Okay.